So I picked up these two-gallon sprayers about, I would say, a year ago, and they're made by Echo, but unfortunately they do not make these anymore. As you can see, I have it labeled weed killer, but that one is safe for lawns. I think that would be, yes, for lawns here. But what I'm looking for is something that will kill anything. This one right here, just, so you know, is for insects, mostly sugar ants. So I picked this one up. They don't carry these anymore at the hardware store. These have been really good. I like the way they're built. I like the way they spray. The pressure valve did break, so maybe that's why they're not selling them anymore. So here's an alternative, and here's the chemical I'll be using, is Total Kill. So this you do not want to put on your lawn, right? And so I picked up this DeWALT sprayer. Let's do a review on it. Get this open. All right, it's a nice tall box. DeWALT is a pretty good brand. I have much tools in their line. Let's see what we got in here. Instructions. We're going to keep that, read through it. Let's see. It looks like it comes with a different nozzle for the different kind of sprays. This one is brass. I think that's the one we're going to put on to kill those weeds. Okay, we've put the solution into the container. Now we want to put our nozzle on. Like I said, I really like this brass fitting. So in total there was 3 connections. Now when you're done, what you want to do, I would advise, is to release the pressure. Yeah, if you can hear that, all the air came out. What that's going to do is, there's rubber that keeps the bushings, that keeps the air pressured. So if you let the pressure out, and there's still air in there, that's going to extend the life of those bushings. One thing that I noticed right away is to store the wand on the Echo. Yeah, it stores pretty well, but if you bump it wrong, it comes right off. Looking at the DeWALT, it's got a much more heavy-duty wand clip. Not only that, but it has a place to put the wand. Look at that. So yeah, overall this DeWALT sprayer, I'm happy with it. It sprayed really well. It comes with multiple nozzles. It looks a lot more heavy duty than the Echoes. Pick it up at your local hardware store or online for under 40 bucks. Not a bad deal. Till next time, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends.